Have you ever finished a workout? Or maybe you just woke up feeling a little groggy and reached for one of these? We see them everywhere: gas stations, gyms, grocery stores, promising maximum hydration and peak performance. But here's the truth. For the average person, most of these drinks are just expensive sugar water with a pinch of salt. Welcome back to Staying Healthy Tips. Today, we are decoding the buzzword of the decade, electrolytes. What are they? Do you actually need them? And how can you make a better, healthier version at home for pennies? By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to hydrate without the sugar crash. Let's dive in. First, let's strip away the marketing. What is an electrolyte? Simply put, electrolytes are minerals that carry an electric charge when dissolved in water. Think of your body like a battery. These minerals are what allow your brain to talk to your muscles. Without them, your battery dies. There are a few major players you need to know about. Sodium. It gets a bad rap because of processed food, but you need salt. It acts like a sponge, helping your cells hold onto water so you don't just pee it all out. Potassium. This prevents those nasty muscle cramps and helps your heart beat regularly. Magnesium, the relaxation mineral. It helps with muscle recovery and energy production. Here's the catch. You can drink a gallon of plain water a day, but if your electrolytes are low, you can still be dehydrated. In fact, drinking too much plain water can flush these minerals out of your system. It's all about balance. So if we need these minerals, why am I telling you to avoid the neon bottles at the store? 2 reasons: dosage and sugar. Most commercial sports drinks are formulated for Olympic athletes running marathons, not for someone doing a 20-minute jog or sitting at a desk. Look at the label. Many of these drinks have over 30 grams of sugar. That is more than some candy bars. When you drink that, you spike your insulin, which can actually make you feel tired and sluggish later, the opposite of what you want. Furthermore, they are usually tragically low in potassium and magnesium. They give you a ton of sodium and sugar, but miss out on the other essential minerals your body is craving. Plus, do we really need blue number 1 or red number 40 dye in our bodies? Probably not. So, how do you know if you are low on electrolytes? You don't need a blood test to feel it. Here are the classic signs. Headaches, especially if you've been drinking water but the headache won't go away. Brain fog, feeling spacey or unable to concentrate. Muscle cramps, that sudden Charlie horse in the middle of the night, that's usually a potassium or magnesium issue. Cravings, specifically craving salt. That is your body shouting at you. You are most at risk if you are doing high-intensity exercise, sweating heavily, spending time in a sauna, or if you follow a low-carb or keto diet. When you cut carbs, your kidneys process electrolytes differently, and you need to replenish them much more often. Okay, let's save you some money. You don't need to spend $3 a bottle. We are going to make a Staying Healthy Tips electrolyte blend that costs pennies. The Real Hydration Recipe. Base: 20 to 30 ounces of water. Acid: squeeze of half a lemon or lime. Sodium: 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon of high-quality salt. I use pink Himalayan or Redmond real salt. You want the trace minerals, not bleached table salt. Optional sweetener: a tiny splash of maple syrup or stevia if you need it sweet. Stir that up. It might taste a little salty at first, but if your body needs it, it will actually taste sweet and refreshing. If you want to get advanced, you can buy potassium chloride and add a tiny pinch, but usually the salt and lemon are a great start for beginners. If you hate drinking your calories or nutrients, you can literally eat your water. Potassium: skip the banana and go for an avocado. It has way more potassium. Magnesium: dark chocolate and pumpkin seeds. Sodium: just salt your food to taste. If you eat a diet rich in whole foods, you might not need supplements at all. But if you are fasting, working out hard, or just woke up hungover, that DIY drink is your best friend. Hydration isn't just about water, it's about water plus minerals. Stop fearing salt, ditch the sugary neon dyes, and listen to your body. Try that homemade recipe this week and let me know in the comments. Did you feel a difference in your energy levels? If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to Staying Healthy Tips for more practical, no-nonsense health advice. Stay hydrated, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.